4:20 a.m. No, we're not checking out. Gotta say hi to the vlog. Like mother, like daughter. We'll see you in Ella. Guys, I am sitting here right now. I am so grateful for the fact that I
Unfortunately, we got to miss.
It's 4:20 a.m. and I'm gonna be getting ready now. Not a full cab, but a slide cab. Hi guys, quick check. Dress is from Hollister. Different bracelets, different places. Bag Matalan, bag Juicy Couture, shoes Nike, and we are ready to go down. Fit check with mom.
My dress is from Bangalore.
Yes,
My shoes from Adidas.
yes.
And my bag is from Michael Kors.
That's Mama's outfit of the day. I'm sorry I didn't do one yesterday, but now we're heading out. Okay, I just realized I'm not going to be coming back to this hotel, and this bed was really good. And the view, it's dark, but it was amazing. The sound of the ocean is still so pure and magical and warm. I'm gonna miss this. Okay, peace out. I'm heading out. Dana got it because we need assistance with the suitcases, and we're taking our suitcases along with us. Yes, sir. Okay. The worst part is there's no stairs here, and we're supposed to take the luggages. And Dada's doing a great job. Yes, Dada, you can do this. I'm also doing a great job. I'm having a 7 kg suitcase that looks like that weighs more than 50 I weigh. Because it's easy to grab stuff from a small one. That's why we kept most of the stuff in this. Oh, we made it. I regret wearing these socks because literally the branding is not letting it go. Because Kappa is just screaming out loud. And we told them to keep our breakfast ready since we're going on like a road trip. And they kept it ready for us. So I'm gonna collect it now.
You are check out?
No, we're not checking out. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let us say hi to the vlog. Bye. Dada, say hi to the vlog. Adi, how do you feel not coming with us? Not too good. It's 12:30. It's 12:13. Arey, good morning, pineapple. Good looking, very good, very nice. I'm going alone to pub and partying. Like this.
Thank God, finally.
Bye bye. So our journey is going to be how long in total?
We will have breaks. 5 hours.
5 hours. Okay.
5 is only because
Slayers. Guys, you all can't see me, but I'm in the car right now. We're heading to Novarelia, but obviously along the way, if we find something interesting, we'll have a pit stops and all that. And it's currently 5:12 a.m. and let's see how long it takes us to reach. Hi guys, time check 5:46 a.m. I get too nauseous when I'm on like road trips because that's not for me. I have that sickness, like road sickness, and I think you were the same, right? Yeah. We're good. I'm good till now. I don't know about her. Are you okay?
Okay.
Yeah, she's okay. She's saying something else, but she feels something else. But yeah, I'll keep updating you guys. I think I'm gonna just crash now. I'm kind of feeling sleepy. We're at the petrol station right now. Oh my god. Hi you guys. Okay, update time. It is 7:57 a.m. and it's weird. Last time I checked the time, it was like 6:56 a.m. Wow. Anyways, we have stopped over here because there's a pit stop. Our tour guide also called another man today because in case he gets tired of driving, he can take over. So they both have gone here at this one hotel place to have like morning tea. We're not morning tea people, so we're in the car right now. And as I was saying you, I'm fine completely. Momo is getting a bit nauseous because we're going up the cliff. And this view, guys, oh my god, I took some clips which I'm gonna put here. Like, camera is not doing justice, literally. And the air was so fresh. We kept the windows down. It was such fresh air. I felt so good. But I'm also very sleepy. But we got breakfast from the hotel, so we're gonna try having that now. What's for breakfast? What's that? Curd. It's good, I feel. The girl has set out. She's very lazy, not get a good sleep. But apart from that, the view, you have to get up for the view. Oh my god, guys. Wow. Is that oats? Oh, I think it's drizzling. Yeah, it's kind of drizzling. Oh, doggy. Hi. Oh, doggy ran away. Oh my god. Me with the view. We're having a pit stop over here because there's bondo, which is coconut, and Mama needs coconut water, and then there are other stuffs too. What is this called?
Coco. Mangoes.
Here mango there
Coco. Mangoes. Okay. How is it? She's been wanting to have this ever since you have landed. Refreshing is the best part of the coconut. Without any doubt, she understood who it is. That's my friend. Hello. Hi. Come. Mama, tum kha le ba. Hi. There's just plantations everywhere, guys. This is all tea.
Yeah.
Wow.
Chai
this-
wala, you add more spices to it.
Ah, yeah.
Cinnamon,
Yeah, makes sense.
cloves
Makes
and
sense.
all,
Makes
yeah.
sense.
Waterfall?
Whoa. No, is that the Sri Lankan longest river, that thing?
No.
Guys, I think this whole video is just going to be me giving reactions to what is in right, like what the view is right in front of me. Are you guys ready? Arey, garden nahi, rao. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I'm telling you, camera is doing no freaking justice to what you're watching right now. Like, whoa. Such a cutie. I wanted to ask, what is this location? Like, is there like a pinpoint
Hanuman temple.
Hanuman temple location?
Yeah.
There, guys. Now for another amazing view of this place, our tour guide is Shimaz is taking us up here inside this souvenir shop. Hello. Wow. So much stuff made of wood. And it smells so good. Okay, so we get out here. Thank you. Okay, that was too soon for the view. We're going up here through the stairs and then we'll see the magnificent view right behind me. Like, guys, what is this? Like nature at its peak. Like, oh my god. So, the waterfall right in front of me is the Rambora waterfall, which is one of the famous waterfalls of Sri Lanka. There's also one over there, which I noticed. And I asked Shimaz, our tour guide, but he apparently doesn't know what the name is. But, wow. Mama went to the washroom, so she didn't come with us. But, Ma, water view! Shimaz told me he's going to be taking me more closer to the waterfall. So for now, we enjoyed that view. Oh, I'm in Sri Lanka! Oh, nice. That was so cool. Ouch. Right now we're inside a car who's going to take us to the foot of the waterfall. Yeah, it's a van who's going to take us there. Wow. This is so steep.
Oh my goodness.
Exactly. This is, oh my god. The fact that he's driving so fast. He's had an experience. Wow. We're inside a hotel. So basically this Ramboda hotel that we were about to stay, if we were going to stay over here for like a day, so that we get the view of the waterfall right outside the hotel room. Wow. I'm sure Mama is happy it's flat walking. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, shut up, you're kidding me. Mama took a pit stop over there, but where we are right now, have an access. It's okay, it's okay. Thank you. Where we have right now, the access to this only is for the hotel guests. But since our tour guide is like really close with the hotel people, no one can say no to him. Oh my god, god. Good thing it's stairs. It's not like without stairs. Otherwise, it will be hard. Guys, Maka believes I know kiya manga, so I can't. I don't know why English is not coming out. Okay guys, here's the infamous Shimas, who's also a tour guide. I will put, if you guys ever want to come to Sri Lanka, I will put all his details in the description box and over here as well. Definitely recommend because he's so jolly. You will have the time of your life. You feel you're on my YouTube channel, the privilege.
She's such a happy girl.
Oh my god,
and
thank you.
She's doing a
Oh,
wonderful
not
job.
only a tour guide, he's also an amazing photographer because he's got the best angles of mine, which I am happy. It's all that matters.
Thank you.
That's Sarigati bars, I think. We have to climb because to come to this beautiful geography we need some obstacles. So now we're climbing up. Okay, we're getting something from Mama. Oh my god, cute! I hope she loves it. You got one more. What's this, sunflower?
Yeah, it's not coming out.
Oh my god, is that sunflower?
Yeah. I don't know how to cut this off.
Is it not coming off?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Climbing this is hard. I am such not a mountain girl. All my life I thought I was a mountain girl. But after this trek, I don't think so I am, guys. My mama can see me inside. Look what I bought for you. I bought you a flower from the Ramboda Falls.
This one is beautiful plant.
It is. It matches your dress. It looks cute. Guys,
Coincidence.
what are the coincidences? Okay, right now we are getting escorted to one of the hotel rooms so we get the view of the waterfall. We're inside the room. Wow, the rooms are pretty good. The rooms are very good and spacious. Could I go out?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. So this is the super deluxe room, guys. It comes with a bathroom as well. Okay. Wow. So this is the Ramboda Falls Hotel. If you guys ever come to Sri Lanka and you want to have a waterfall right by you, this is the perfect hotel for it. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Here we are, another adventure and another tea plantation day. We're at the largest tea plantation area, which is the Damro Tea Plantation. And this is the view, guys. Like, wow. Wow. Imagine someone wrote my name, like, Stephanie, I love you. Like, imagine someone wrote my name, like, Stephanie. Wow. If anyone's, like, ever proposing me, it should be on the tea plantation with, Stephanie, will you marry me? Like, imagine. Sorry, I'm just joking. Please don't take it seriously. But I've got heat balls and I'm not liking it, like my whole face. So we're getting a tour of the tea plantation area, and I'm alone because Mama can't walk and climb around places. So I'm with a group right now. That tour guide over there is Sri Lankan, but she's speaking in Chinese for the Chinese tourists. Wow. Tea. I can smell it. Our tour is done and now we can taste a cup of tea. Guys, Mama didn't come here, but she bought tea also. Oh, this is the one she got. Oh. Got the English breakfast tea, guys. Cheers. Guys, I've got the English breakfast tea, but then there's some milk and I'm a bit iffy about it. But there's sugar as well.
We get a complimentary cake.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. So this is
No. Thank you.
this is caramel
Oh my god.
and tea leaves on top. You can.
This is so cute. Oh my god, guys. I'll just do my tea first. It's giving so British vibe. This is a caramel cake with the caramel tea cake, and it's so cute. I'm gonna have it now. I wish Mama could come here. Cheers. Wow, it's so good. It's just melting in my mouth. Ma, what are your opinions on this? Amazing, right? Now we head back. Oh, this is so your color. Color shine varta hai, ma. Wow. Like mother, like daughter. But we both are wearing flowers today, like flower outfits. Guys, you can't see anything now. Like, it's so foggy and it also started raining. Like, we're right amidst clouds right now. We're also heading to the railway station, the Novarelia one, because we have to catch a train. Talk more in detail when we reach there. Mama had no idea. Mama! No! Ma! But Mama had no idea that now the coming up journey is like a 2-hour journey. So basically, let me explain you guys. So first of all, welcome to Novarelia. So this is also called as Little England. Why? Because the Britishers found it. Let me give you a brief knowledge about what I got to learn. It is the meaning of it is a land of light, and it's very chilly also over here. So people are literally in jackets. Let me show you. Like, you can see they're in jackets, and then there's us. Mari, we don't care. We are enjoying because right now the Bahrain weather is like humid and in UK I'm used to it, so I don't mind it. Anyways, so right now we're gonna take a train journey from Novarelia to Ella. Don't know, it's the very infamous train ride, and I definitely want to have that chaiya chaiya moment. Chalo chaiya 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 chaiya. I want to have that moment. And the scenic view, the scenic route of this is just magical. And if you ever come to Novarelia or Sri Lanka, you definitely have to do this train journey ride. And getting the tickets are a big deal. Shamaz had already booked the tickets, so it was very hard to alter it. But yeah, we have got.
Train is delayed by 1 hour.
Oh.
So instead of 1:15, it's gonna be at least 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Oh. Oh.
Because of bad weather.
Bad weather, yeah. I can't. Mama. Please enlighten the audience. What did you say? Her left hand is very itchy, and basically there's this saying, if your left hand is itchy, it means you're gonna get money. But if your right hand is itchy, you're not supposed to scratch because it means money goes. Right now money is just going. I don't know what's happening, but her left hand is itchy. Array, money. So I was like, who's giving money here? Okay, bad news, guys. 2 o'clock is our train, and our train was at 1:15, and the train is like a 2.5 hours ride. And it's delayed. That's an issue.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, we're right near our platform at the moment. It's currently 2. Our train comes around to 15 to 20 and we're waiting. So basically our tickets are first class tickets. So the first class tickets are I think the first 3 of the first 2 compartments. So we are right ahead. However, you can see the weather is pretty clear now. It's sunny and let it please be sunny. I don't want the rain because it becomes too gloomy. Apart from that, I've just taken my tote bag. Our suitcases are all in the car because they're coming through car. Ella and we are going through the train. There's a mosquito and this is what Mama is doing. Yeah, get it. Yeah. Hey guys, the train's here. Our seat number is C34, C33 and it's right nearby. Oh. You go first, Ma. You go first. Thank you. See you in Ella. Bye. Okay, now Shima's left is we are in a designated seat and I'm excited. Hi guys, we are inside the train right now and first impressions, it's really nice. Like we have got the ODC one. The one that came previously, like when we saw it, it was just like, oh, it's maybe like a local train. But no, this is really good. The first class ones are really good. There's AC as well. Like there are, I don't know, what do you call those, ticket collectors? Like the captain just came, like yeah, he just came, like he was very assistant. Like he's assisting anyone having doubts, so you can ask for help anytime and anywhere. So now we're at our seats. What are your thoughts?
Very nice.
It just shook a little, it didn't move. We're moving! Yay! Guys, right now we're at the highest point of a train journey level and the train is literally slant. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm just like, oh my god, that side. But to realize that even that side there's nothing. Guys, I managed to get the courage and I'm right by the door. I managed to get something of view. It's too crowded here. The view is definitely worth it. Like wow. And the doors are open and the views are just magnificent. Taking a shot over here is really hard because like people keep coming for like their shots. As of now, I've not taken a picture yet. I'm waiting for the moment. I want to sit here, but getting ready is pretty hard. Guys, I am sitting here right now. I'm so grateful for the fact that I got the opportunity to sit here. The view is so good, guys. I don't feel like getting up. To my life. You're a girl daughter. You have to give others chance. Oh my god. Wow. This is some crazy view, guys. Like, wow. Thank you. Bye. Have a good trip.
You too.
Thank you. Okay guys, we're finally come to a seat. It's too sunny here by the way. And my hair is all cancelled because of the wind. But standing out there for like an hour and more was the best decision. Make sure if you go on this journey, stay on the left side. When you start the journey, you'll just be like, left side has nothing. But left side has a lot to offer when you go ahead. Okay guys, update. So currently it is 5 p.m. and next station is going to be Ella. So we're going to be getting down there. And Mama had a good nap it seems, but I had the most amazing experience out there. Like wow. Hi, it was lovely meeting you. Okay, we've reached Ella and now what? We're out of the station guys. Also make sure whenever you're out of the station coming out or going in, make sure you keep your ticket with you because while you come out they check your ticket. Anyways, we're in Ella. Or they also say it has L. No, the train journey was so nice. I got to sit down. I got to sit down over there near the train place.
Known for this, backpackers.
Okay, that's why a lot of backpackers.
Yeah.
The station was filled with backpackers.
Okay, but this has more artistic flavor onto the city.
Okay.
If you see how it looks, it's well done. And there is a very famous cafe called Chill Cafe. Okay guys, we got our key, but apparently the room is used by someone and it's still not clean. Yeah, ouch. We told them about it, so he's gone to check with the reception. Okay guys, I just got to know that we are going to change our rooms now. I'll meet you in the next room. Okay guys, the room's clean. We're gonna do a room tour now. As you come here, on my left we have the washroom. Oops. This is the washroom I actually changed. Anyways, after we come out here, we have a table to keep stuffs. And then here, we have our double room for me and Mama. Double room what? Sorry, double bed for me and Mama. There's a cupboard here. We also have a balcony. And over here, we have a dressing area situation. And then TV over here. And let me take you guys out. We're doing it quick because I don't want the mosquitoes to come in. And yeah, this is the balcony. Pretty big, to be honest. And then we have the city area view. So that's the hotel room tour. Hi you guys. Okay, so update time. It is currently 7:31 p.m. Mama's gone for a shower. We are in the other room, as you guys saw the room tour. So the thing what happened was, first when we got this room, it was dirty and it was not cleaned. The beds were not made, and that's why we were given another room. And I thought that would be a permanent room, but then it's just that they were waiting until it is clean. So now we're back to this official room that we had. They felt bad that we had to sit in that room. There were also mosquitoes and it was there was no ventilation, so it was really dark. I mean, there was light. That's the reason we're given this room. For that, I think the manager or someone from the hotel, they came personally to apologize, which was really sweet. And the hospitality, wow. And our tour guide told us that we're gonna get a complimentary fruit platter, I guess, which is so sweet. Oh my god, love that. Guys, look what just came. Our fruit platter arrived, which is so cute. So we have got some bananas, we've got pineapples, papayas, watermelon, my favorite, yum, and then I'm sure that's mango, and I'm so excited to have the mango because, not gonna lie, everywhere you walk over here, you tend to see mango. And according to Shamaz, our tour guide, he told us that mangoes are 365 days in a year in Sri Lanka. Anyways, I'm just gonna have this because I can't. Ananas, which is pineapple. Wow, the pineapple is so sweet.
खाले कोण वाटतं शाहरुख खान आणि कुद्दू चांगला खाले shower cap and soap very nice. Yeah, soap also. Yeah, small soap. I like that one to keep. Remember,
Guys,
I'm not even kidding. Mama's bathroom in Bahrain, if you go and see, you're just gonna find wherever we visited, their toiletry stuff. Like the shampoo is still kept. That is the memory and showpiece she's keeping rather than. Okay, stay period. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Love you. Bye.